Here it comes. Television's most exciting hour of fantastic prizes. The fabulous 60-minute prize is right. Crystal Howard, come on down. Paige Hagelli, come on down. Jacqueline Hamilton, come on down. And Diane Hudson, come on down. You are the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right. And now here's the star of The Price is Right, Bob Barker.
Welcome to The Price is Right. Boy. Thank you. My goodness. I think that is the biggest welcome I've had in weeks, and I appreciate it. I appreciate your attitude. I do indeed. Now, we want to see the first item up for bids on this show.
It's a drop front desk. This drop front desk made of warm ponderosa pine is a lovely addition to any den or study. This attractive piece provides a writing space as well as drawers for storage and filing area.
We are going to give that desk to the one of you who bids nearest to the actual retail price without going over. Diane, what do you say? $450. Jacqueline?
What'd she bid?
$450.
$500.
$500, and Paige, it's your turn.
$625.
$625 to you, Crystal.
$26.
$626. And the actual retail price of that prize is $1,225, and Crystal wins it. And Crystal comes up to the set, and Crystal gives me a kiss. And Crystal... Now, Crystal, this seems to be a particularly enthusiastic audience, don't you think?
Yes.
And don't you think that this particularly enthusiastic audience would love to see you win the prize that we have coming out here right now?
A new car! The Pontiac Firebird. The shape is lean, low, and instantly recognizable. A serious driving machine with many impressive standard features from Pontiac. It comes with California emission, tinted glass, wheel trim rings, Sport LH remote mirror, and RH manual mirror. Bob?
And out we go to play Lucky 7. If you have $1 left at the end of the Lucky 7 game, I will sell you that car for that $1. Do you know how to play this game?
Yes.
What's the first number in the price of the car?
8.
She says it is an 8. Is she right? No, it's a 9. That'll cost you $1. And what's the next number?
4.
Number 4. Show us. Well, that'll cost you $1. Next number, please.
6.
Crystal says 6. I say open that door, and you are right, Crystal. And you have $5 left, Crystal. And you can miss that number by 4, one way or the other. What is that last number?
5.
She says it is a 5. Open the door. It's a 9. You miss it by $4. You win the car. $9,569 is a lot of car. That's your car, Crystal. I'll take that dollar. That closes the deal. Pick up the key right over there. We'll be back after these words.